If you want to hide game activity on Steam, there are actually two easy ways to do it, and I'm going to show you both so you can choose the one that fits your situation best. You can either hide everything across your entire profile, or you can hide just a single game and keep the rest of your library visible. And if you only want a quick temporary option, I'll also show you the invisible status, which is perfect for playing in peace without changing your permanent privacy settings. If this tutorial helps you out, take 1 second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Steam tips and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the global privacy setting. This is the fastest way to hide all of your game activity at once. It means other people won't be able to see what you are playing, how long you have played, or even your achievement activity across your profile. To do this, open Steam and click your username at the top of the window. From the menu, go to Profile and then select Edit Profile. Once you're inside your profile settings, look over to the left side and click Privacy Settings. Now find the section called Game Details. This is the setting that controls what other people can see about your games. Change Game Details to Private. Once you do that, Steam will stop showing your game activity publicly. This is especially useful if you don't want friends, followers, or anyone else checking your playtime or current game status. And here's a helpful tip. This setting also affects your in-game presence. If game details is set to private, your friends will generally only see you as online, even when you're actively playing something. So if your goal is full privacy, this is the best setting to use. It's simple, it's fast, and it covers your whole Steam library in one step. But what if you only want to hide one specific game? Maybe it's a game you don't want tied to your profile, or maybe it's just one of those private favorites you'd rather keep to yourself. In that case, Steam has a separate option called Private Games. To hide a single game, go to your library first. Find the game you want to keep private, then right-click on it. From the menu, choose Manage, and then click Mark as Private. When this is enabled, Steam will place an eye icon with the line through it next to that game in your library. That icon is the sign that the game is now hidden from your public activity. This setting does a few important things. It hides your ownership of that game, it hides your playtime, and it hides your status when you're playing it. In other words, your friends won't know you own it, and they won't see you playing it either. So if you only want to hide a couple of games while leaving the rest of your profile public, this is the perfect middle ground option. Now let's cover the quickest privacy option of all, which is the invisible status. This one is great if you just want to relax for a night, play solo, and avoid messages or attention without changing any of your long-term settings. To use it, open your friends list in Steam, then click the drop-down arrow next to your name and select Invisible. When you switch to Invisible, you will appear offline to everyone else, but you can still use Steam normally. You can still see your friends list, you can still message people, and you can still play games without broadcasting your activity the same way you normally would. This is the best option when you want temporary privacy without adjusting your profile or library settings. So to quickly recap, if you want to hide everything, go to Privacy Settings and set game details to private. If you want to hide only one game, right-click it in your library and mark it as private. And if you just want a temporary break from being visible, switch your status to invisible. That's the full guide on how to hide game activity on Steam in 2026. I hope this made the process easy and clear. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful Steam tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more privacy tips, gaming settings guides, or PC how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.